Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. So today guys, we're gonna be making basmati rice. I'm gonna show you how to make basmati rice. So this rice that I'm using is a Nujan long grain basmati rice. You can use any basmati rice that you like because it's different type of basmati rice. So this is one I'm gonna be making. So to make, I'm gonna be measuring 2 cups. Okay. So in here I'm gonna add water to just soak it. Make sure you're adding enough water in the rice. Water have to be more than rice. So that's what I mean. So now we have to soak it for 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes now take a pot and add 4 glasses of water. If you are if you are making 1 glass of rice, you add 2 glass water. So always double up the quantity of the rice with water, if that makes sense. So now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil in this water and some salt. Okay, now we're gonna just cover it and wait to boil. Once it's boiling, we're gonna strain the rice and add into the pot. Okay, after you putting rice, just you have to mix it, not too much, like one time, and cover it. Why you're not mixing too much? It will end up break the rice. We don't want that. The rice have to come out long the way it is. So now we're gonna just wait to boil. You don't have to cover, just let it boil until the water is dry. Once the water is dry, you're gonna just pick up the rice from the side of the pot the way I'm showing. You don't want to over mixing, because I don't want this rice to break. The rice have to come out nicely long the way it is. So now we're gonna just cover with the clean cloth and slow the flame. You have to be very slow and leave it on steam for 10 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, this is how it should be. Look how beautiful is that. It's a single and it's long, it's fluffy, and it's yummy. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.